375 third trip adult.
Or wait.
Flat first.
Second round, that's the bid.
So after all that, you know Mara and Carolyn are going to be late.
Nah, Mara said they're getting on, so they.
They're standing at the food truck and they're like, there's 6 trips left? Like,
6 hours.
yeah, that happens every time.
So cute.
Well, she could have. Well, it doesn't really matter. She's paying for whatever.
Well,
But I thought we had to go now because they only said 9.
yes, but now Sue was not going to stick around. Yeah, but right now there's like some sort of third adult or something.
No, Sue's just coming later, and she didn't
Right,
care about
Rain.
packing.
Right, Rain? But so when should Rachel pack?
That was really good.
But then I guess there was somebody that wasn't going to stick around.
There she is.
Maybe, and then decided that since they could do show now, so.
See, I thought. Oh, well.
The question would be,